Hey, just welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing model here, and basically what this is a slimming belt. If you can see the one that we got right here from this brand, and here is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. If you guys turn to the side right here, they do probably got some specs and features on here. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what is actually included inside. Alright, so once you guys open up, first thing inside here they do provide a charging cable that you can use to charge up the product. So let's take it out. Here is basically what the charging cable looks like. If you guys take out the protection layer, right underneath the protection layer, you can definitely see the product right there. So let's take it out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, if you see in the bottom, they also provide you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. But let's take off the wrapper right here first. Alright, so once you guys take off the wrapper, here is basically what the product looks like. So right here on top, if you see, we do have the plug outlet where to plug it in to recharge it. And right here, we do have the belt option. So let's open up. They do have a padding right here, but if you guys take it out, here is basically what the inside looks like for the actual slimming belt. So it looks like it does have like these massage nodes on here to help you guys massage like your stomach when you guys do use it. Same thing for right here and right here. And then this side right here is basically where you guys want to attach the strap to make it tighter or looser based on your own preference. And then right here is basically the other side or the front side. You can see we do have the brand logo right here. You can definitely see that there is a power button, I believe a rotation button, I believe the vibration option and auto mode right there. And top right here is probably the indicator light to show you guys when it's on or off. And basically for this product, you don't have to only use it for your stomach. You guys can use it for any other parts of your body as well. And like I mentioned, for the product, it has 4 different speed levels available. But let's put this on and test it out to see how it feels. So for this test, I think I'm just gonna put it on right here. If you guys want a better effect, you don't want to put as much layer on. But let's drop this around ourselves first. So I'm gonna put it through right here and just stick it onto the side. Make sure it sticks on pretty well. And then once you guys do that, you guys can plug in the cable in the bottom to activate it. So let's get the cable right here to plug it in. Alright, so if you guys plug it in, you guys can hear that little beep. So what you do right now is press the power button, and that will turn it on. Once you guys turn it on, you guys want to select what you guys want to use. So let's press the rotation button right here first. Alright, so once you guys press the rotation button, it basically activates the massaging option. If you guys press on again, that will turn it off. If you guys press on the next button below that, that is basically the vibration option. If you guys press on again, it increases to the next level. So when we actually turn on the next level right here, it's actually much more stronger than the first one. If you guys press on again, now it's on level 3. And level 3 definitely feels a lot more stronger than level 2. But let's increase it one more time. Alright, so now we have it on level 4. And level 4 is definitely the strongest one. You guys definitely feel a lot more of that vibration on here. If you guys press on it again, so that is basically the 4 different speed level or the 4 different vibrations available for you. And if you guys press on auto, auto is basically like its own mode doing everything for you in terms of the massaging option and vibration option. You guys can hear when we do turn it on. And I do want to mention when you guys use the product, the maximum usage time for the product is 30 minutes. It doesn't allow you guys to use it for more than 30 minutes each time. So in here, when you do use the product, it is pretty loud, especially if you guys turn to the max speed level or the max massage mode option. But when you guys do use it, it actually feels pretty nice. I do feel like if you guys leave it on the high speed level or the high vibration for a long period of time, and if you guys do consistently, it might help you guys slim your stomach. If you guys press on auto mode again, there's different modes available. So there's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, and then off. So there's 4 different modes available for you guys as well for that option. And obviously once you guys are done using it, you guys want to press the power button, and that will turn it off. So you can see, very easy and very simple for you to use it. In order for you to see any result, you do have to use it often, maybe once a day or even more than that if you guys want to see better results. And if you guys want to get the best result, you probably want to work your way up to build your tolerance to level 4, because that is the strongest one. So when you guys do put it on, it actually feels pretty comfortable. It doesn't really feel too heavy or it doesn't feel uncomfortable when you guys do put it on, which is pretty nice. And when you guys do feel the fabric that's on here, it actually feels really nice, especially if you guys do have clothes on. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality weight loss slimming belt that probably got the same functionality that's on here. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.